Hello travelers, welcome to Venice. It's Bradley J. Travel. Thanks for returning to the channel. You've heard about beauty so intense that it's almost a burden. Well, that's Venice. But this quickie video is not going to delve too deeply into Venice. It's just about the train station. A real interesting aspect of Venice is that if you travel by train, the train station comes right up to that liquid street known as the Grand Canal. You can get off a train and in about 90 seconds be standing beside the beautiful and famous Grand Canal. Venice is a good example of why it's great to just backpack only. I went to a beautiful hotel in a part of Venice that was a long walk, and lots of parts of Venice are a long walk. And in many cases you kinda gotta walk. So if you're dragging one of those wheeled cases around, it's a bummer. A quick note about the food in Italy. The food in Italy is so great that the to-go food at the train station is probably better than most restaurants, even Italian restaurants, that you'd find in the United States. Don't go in the summer. Do not go in high season. Don't even think about it, because it's a bummer. Expensive, hassle-filled, kind of a bummer. First time I went was in the summer, and I left. I did not even stay overnight because it was such a bummer. On this trip, went in the winter, and it was great. One caveat, I went near New Year's Eve, so it would be too expensive to stay overnight in Venice that night. So I went to Modena, about an hour and a half away, home of Lambrusco and balsamic vinegar. And in a place like Modena, even on New Year's Eve, you can get a wonderful hotel like this for a great price. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember to travel lightly.